Welcome to a next-generation platform designed for dedicated spiritual practitioners, researchers, book publishing teams, leaders, and more. Our app's powerful search feature lets you find exactly what you're looking for, fast and easy. We are introducing a whole new way of navigating information right at your fingertips. Dive into an ever-expanding collection of Vedic wisdom with two revolutionary search tools: Deep Search for audio and the knowledge base for text, making it easier than ever to find exactly what you need. The Media Library gives you two ways to find the perfect audio: normal search and more complex deep search. With normal search, simply type a word, and we'll display any audio titles containing that word for instant listening. But if that word isn't in the title but hidden deep within the audio, try Deep Search. This powerful feature scans inside the audio content to find where that word is used. It not only lists the audio files containing the keyword, but also highlights how many times the keyword appears within the content. When you click on any audio, playback begins from the first occurrence of the keyword within the audio. Our next groundbreaking tool, Knowledge Base, offers a diverse range of highly advanced search options for audio transcripts and books authored by His Holiness. Whether you're looking for highly specific details on certain topics or aiming to pinpoint exact words within transcripts or books, Knowledge Base has you covered. With phrase search, use quotation marks around phrases to find the exact phrase you're looking for, like pure devotional service. In proximity search, you can find words that appear close together by enclosing the words in quotation marks and adding a tilde, followed by a number to specify the desired distance or proximity. You can even use wildcards in proximity search to broaden its scope and retrieve more instances of relevant data. We have other search options like wildcard search, Boolean search, and boosting search. You can check all the searches in the homepage of Knowledge Base. Touch to Play is a feature that allows you to tap on any word in the transcript, and the audio will automatically start playing from that word.
Adi Leela, Chapter 1, Text 35. Mantra Guru Ajato Shikha Guru. One develops a sense of Krishna consciousness.
In the Knowledge Base, we have two types of search options: audio and book. So that you can not only search topics from the lectures, but also search from books. Your search history from normal search, deep search, and the Knowledge Base is saved, allowing you to revisit your results later. The Suggest Edit feature is an innovative tool that allows viewers to propose edits to the Knowledge Base if they find any inaccuracies in the lecture content. The Copy with Reference feature lets you easily share transcript excerpts along with details about the audio via WhatsApp, email, and more. The shared excerpt includes the audio file's title, along with its recording date and location. Get ready to deepen your spiritual journey. Our app is here to guide you with a library full of knowledge and powerful search tools to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Download now and start exploring.